Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'll be preparing spicy stir-fry clam meat. Mayam ngasi clam meat si ngaurage ko. Clam meat haibdi kongreng gi type ni kongreng gi family ne du mari khrapi e si ko grey color dine ko. Adu mahau di si clam na hau hen ne du ngasi di yam simple oina morok shatak na stir-fry tar si ko. So let's start preparing it. These are some of the ingredients I'll be using. Clam meat, half tomato, half onion, garlic, 1 tablespoon of garlic and a teaspoon of ginger. Asisi kongreng gi family ne clam kawe sibo du magi maku yaudre manung gi dunga oire adu mahau di isi ne laiba hele. So let's start preparing it. I've already put mustard oil around 3 to 4 tablespoons. Hangam thau half cream mun labni ko. It's already cooked, so I'll put the onion. Now the garlic and the ginger. Little bit of meat masala, chili. You can adjust. Turmeric, half teaspoon. Salt as per your taste. And cook it for 10-15 minutes. Isn't mixed the 10-15 minutes no rusigo. Marak to what piece. Make sure to stir in between. It has started releasing its own water. Ising the kizik thoye ko dudu kang baka ngause. Mulla, it's done. Check for the seasoning and I'll garnish it with coriander leaf. Mulla sabi are. Sab harge. Here I have mustard leaf with masuri dal, hangam ga masur dal ore, and this is the fried clam meat. Wow. Mustard with masoor dal goes very well. I love the combination. Dum pakne se garlic ki tarka pivne ko. Wow. Clam stir fry is also very nice. Tasty kongreng gine. Adobo kongreng hindi khar hawe ko sisem. ऐसे कोई थोड़ा ये स्टाइल दे आलू का मुठुबी का हाफ का थोंग सु हाव नहीं फिर ना. It's very nice. ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯔꯣꯏꯒꯦ ꯅꯣꯏꯃꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯌꯦꯟꯁꯥꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯒꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯍꯪꯒꯝꯅꯦ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗꯩ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯇꯧꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯍꯪꯒꯝ ꯌꯦꯟꯁꯥꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯃꯤꯠꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯀꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯒ ꯊꯣꯡꯕꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯎꯅꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯀꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯁꯨꯝ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯣꯛꯂꯒ ꯌꯣꯟꯕ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯎꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯟꯇꯛ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯁꯥꯍꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯦꯗꯖꯁט ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣꯀꯣ ꯁꯥꯃꯟꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯗ ꯎꯅꯔꯁꯤ That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.